What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove the red underlines in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open your document. Next, click the File tab in the top left corner, then select Options. In the Word Options window, click Proofing from the left menu. Under the When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word section, uncheck Check Spelling as you type. After that, click OK to save your changes. The red underlines should now disappear from your document. If you ever want to turn spell checking back on, simply follow the same steps and check spelling as you type again. And that's it. That's how you can remove the red underlines in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.